Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer. Today I will show you two different methods for how to delete a blank page in Word. If you are ready, let's get started. First, let's see the pages by clicking on page 1 of left below. Now that we see the empty pages, let's delete the empty pages with the first method. Click below the last paragraph you wrote, hold down and scroll to the last blank page, and press delete. As you can see, all the blank pages have been deleted. If this method didn't work for you, you should try method 2. In the second method, we will make the invisible paragraphs visible and delete them, thus the blank page will also be deleted. First, click on the paragraph icon above. When we open the invisible paragraphs, we see that the pages are not actually blank. Now let's delete them all. As we start deleting, the pages we thought were empty are also deleted. Don't forget to click on the paragraph icon once again and hide the paragraph marks. I hope you found the How to Delete Blank Page in Word tutorial helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.